Hey, no, not this one.
Standard Time Monday. Winter weather advisory
Oh,
from
yeah, winter weather advisory. Oh,
5 p.m.
winter weather
Mountain
advisory,
Standard
guys.
Time Sunday. What? For the wind chill advisory. Very cold wind chill.
Hey, no, not that one.
Wind chills as low as 35 below zero.
So be
For the
careful,
winter
guys.
weather advisory.
There it
Snow
is.
expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches. Where? The Interstate 25 corridor and portions of the eastern plains. When? For the wind chill advisory until 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Monday. For the winter weather
Yeah, there you
advisory
go.
from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. At noon, Colorado.
Winter weather advisory, but not the wind chill advisory. So, anyway, that.